Welcome to the very first premium house and lot of Rockwell, only here in Rockwell South beside New Valley, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Hi Geekers, this is me again, Jair Mamaklay, your property geek. If you watched our first Rockwell video featuring their premium house and lots months ago, ipapakita namin siya. Mas detailed po yung ginawa namin before. But wala tayong pinasok na ganitong structure na gawang Rockwell. So dito, mas high level siya. Ang idea ng video na to, mas ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung possible or yung closest no, na magiging finishing nung Rockwell, because we are here at the guest house which is inside Rockwell na pwede kayo magstay dito like a hotel for 5,000 per villa per night. So, ipapakita namin kung ano yung itsura niya, and at the same time, this is your perfect opportunity kasi right now, we only have 11 units left. From 46 lots or 46 units, we only have 11 premium house and lots left. And ang maganda dito, we can see, no, sabi ko nga sa video ko dati, hindi very aggressive sa marketing si Rockwell. But sila yung sinusundan. Sila yung nilalapitan. Kagaya ng ibang mga high-end brands, no, they don't need to market na kasi meron na talagang lumalapit sa kanila. So, I really like how Rockwell developed their communities, their estates. It's very elegant. It's very classy. So, right now, magpapakita ko sa inyo ng mga sample computations na mamimili kayo, no, kung ano yung lote, and per lot, meron na pong naka-assign kung ano yung technically yung shade. What I mean is, meron kasi di tayong darker shade and lighter shade. So, ipapakita namin sa inyo kung anong difference ng dalawa, pero sa last 11 units left, meron na po kasing naka-designate kung ano yung shading or kung ano yung feel ng house, if it's a darker or lighter one, sa mapipili nyo na lote. Since wala pang Rockwell house and lot model dito sa Rockwell South, magpapakita ko sa inyo ng the guest house nila na inside din dito sa Rockwell para makita nyo ano nga ba yung itsura kapag nagpagawa na kami ng bahay or pag bumili kami ng bahay, and how good Rockwell when it comes to building not just the exterior but the interior. So again, this is the guest house. Actually, you can stay here and you can rent for like a day for about 5,000 pesos per villa. So this is just one floor, technically a bungalow, pero yung Rockwell house and lot is 2 floors. Pero same na same yung style. Modern Asian or modern tropical, yung mga materials na ginamit dito, possible, closest yung materials na gagamitin din dun sa Rockwell house and lot. So, it's very important na mapasok natin to kasi kahit hindi to kamukhang-kamukha, no, na hindi to 2 floors katulad ng mabibili nyo, makikita natin yung interior, and that's the important. Wow, very homey. So, I think mas nagre-resonate dito sa interior nitong bahay na to or the guest house nito, yung lighter shade, no? So, as I enter, meron silang parang waiting area, no? Na pwedeng kapag meron kang bisita and you don't want to invade your privacy dun sa kitchen or living area mo, pwedeng dito lang kayo. And ang ganda kasi hallway siya, no? Parang naging hallway. So, dito naman, nandito naman yung maid's room. So, yung maid's room, nandito din technically yung washing machine natin na hindi rin naman nagiging sagabal, no? Or hindi siya nakaka-istorbo. Dun sa bed, single bed, and then may cabinet din, of course, yung maid's room. And at the same time, as you can see, we have this very spacious toilet and bath for the maid's room. I think this is one of the biggest toilet and bath, no, that I saw na nilayout for a maid's room. And look at this kitchen. So, nagkaroon sila ng mini peninsula, and then at the same time, it's very functional. Nandito na lahat. We have the refrigerator, we have these high-end cabinetry, and we have the of course, the oven and yung kailangan mo pag nagluluto ka, and yung mga lagayan for the kitchenwares, no? And at the same time, para siyang naging mini bar. Kasi, like for example, no, I want to have breakfast here, and just like this one, no, gusto ko lang mag-coffee pero I don't want outside or umuulan outside, hindi ako makapunta doon. So, pwede dito, no? Or habang nagluluto, yung kasama mo sa house, your husband, wife, or kung sino man yung kasama mo, your partner. So, pwede pa rin kayo mag-usap, no? Kasi ang ganda na naging layout here. And of course, the dining table and the living area. Again, disclaimer, hindi po talaga ito yung magiging layout ng bahay ninyo when you bought a house and lot package for Rockwell South. Yung 6 remaining lots natin, maximum of 2 floors, pero I took the opportunity na i-video ito para makita nyo yung possible, no, yung closest na pwedeng gawin ng Rockwell kapag nagpatayo tayo ng bahay. So, tignan natin to. Ito lang yung gusto ko, no, kasi buksan natin, right? Merong pool. Kanina sobrang umuulan dito, pero ngayon super sunny. So, let's access this area. So actually, meron pong nagre-rent dun sa kabila, so medyo tahimik lang tayo. But as you can see, you have this mini pool na it's not too small, it's not too big, but it's just right for your home. So technically, pwede rin tayo magpa-approve, no, sa house and lot natin, lalo na if you bought a larger lot area na baka pwede tayong magkaroon ng like this one, a dipping pool. Pasok tayo dito sa bedroom nila. So, tignan natin kung ano yung feels naman ng mga bedroom ng Rockwell, no? So, dito sa bedroom na to, we have a queen-size bedroom, and we have this sofa. And then here, we have our, I think this is our vanity section / our office area na din. And ito yung gusto ko sa mga Rockwell projects, no? Nakita ko na rin yung mga projects ni Rockwell sa condo in Makati. And here, they are offering their very first premium house and lot. It's very classy. It's giving old money style, actually. And at the same time, nakikita ko na, wow, very minimalist. And kita nyo to, I also just want to highlight not just the finishing, kasi technically, medyo marami ng kasama sa deliverable unit eh. Parang semi-furnished na siya. And at the same time, meron na tayong VRF na air conditioner kapag dineliver sa inyo yung unit. So technically, lalagyan nyo na talaga siya ng mga major na furniture. But yung mga built-in, like mga cabinetry, sa kitchen, and at the same time, here, we have our air conditioners na. And it's not your usual window type or split type air conditioner. This is a VRF air conditioner. And let's check the bathroom. It's like a hotel, no? Parang hindi siya yung hotel na nasa city. It's like a hotel within a beach in Batangas, parang ganun. So, gustong-gusto ko rin to, no? Yung ganitong design. Since bungalow nga itong house na to, nagkaroon siya ng parang sa taas para magkaroon ng lighting. So, natural lighting siya. Yung roofing niya is parang glass. So, it adds character, no, dito sa buong style or interior ng house. Let's check the other bedroom kasi I think this is the master's bedroom. It's bigger than the first one, and we have our television na I think wala kasing television sa kanina. And then we have like our usual vanity section / office area, and I believe the bed is slightly bigger for this bedroom, and we have access, no, to the balcony and to the pool. So, may mga balcony or terrace din kayo dun sa deliverable unit ng Rockwell House and Lot. Just gusto ko lang ma-feel nyo kung ano yung Rockwell community here in Rockwell South. Very green, a lot of open spaces, suburban community, and at the same time, very relaxing, no? I feel like parang yung everyday life mo dito is just so slow. Titingin ka lang dito, no? And a lot of like plants sa harap mo. Yeah, it's very airy and very breathable, sabi nga nila. Yung doorway ng toilet, parang ginit na nila yung 2 cabinets. Maganda rin pala siya, no? And another VRF. And ganun din, no? Same na same sa kanina. It's just that pagpasok mo ng toilet, nandito yung, lavatory. On your left is the toilet, and then on your right is the shower area. But the material, same na same. So, gusto ko lang talaga i-highlight na yung itsura ng tiles here, kung ano yung accent niya, pati yung ginamit sa mga walls, no, na mga material. Ito yung most possible na pwede nating i-check kung ano yung magiging outcome for our Rockwell house and lot. And I'm loving it. It's very classy, it's very elegant, napakalinis tignan. And nagko-complement talaga yung mga furnitures na ginamit. Hindi loud yung mga color combinations. Ganyan lang, no? And at the same time, kung maglagay man ng medyo... Actually, pwede tayo maglagay, no? Ng medyo nagpa-pop up na color. Pero I think, ang ganda pa rin niya overall. Yeah, so this can be your interior layout, yung materials, yung finishing for your Rockwell house and lot. So yeah, that's it. For as low as 43 million pesos, you can own a premium house and lot for about 255 square meter floor area at the minimum. So let us take a look at the sample computation on one of the available house and lot in Rockwell South. So it is located in Block 4, Lot 1, sitting on a 289 square meter lot area. So for this one, the lot area is bigger than the usual minimum of 250 square meter lot area. The total contract price, including the value-added tax, is at 46,186,112 pesos. And the computation or the term is you will just pay the 250,000 peso reservation fee, for example, this month of July, and then the following month, the 10% spot payment, which amounts to 4,368,611.20 centavos. And then the following month again, we will be starting our 20% down payment term for about 36 months or 3 years, amounting to 256,589.51 centavos. So after 3 years, the 70%, which amounts to 32,330,278 pesos and 40 centavos, we can loan it through bank, or we can do a balloon payment on the last down payment or on our 36th month, so we can also deduct or we can lessen our loanable amount. So we can do that. So we got a lot of like flexibility when it comes to payment term because this is pre-selling. My other clients are doing like they're saving on their personal bank accounts, and then during the course of 36 months, since it's 0% interest on our down payment term, what they can do is on top of their 256,000 pesos, they are also saving on their personal account, and then hopefully on their last down payment term, they can pay off the remaining 70% balance. So you can pay it in cash or we can loan it through bank. I'll show you the actual deliverable unit of the Rockwell Premium House and Lot. So as you can see, again, this can sit on a minimum of 250 square meter lot area, but same lang po yung house floor area, ranging from 255 square meter to around 300 square meter house floor area. So as you can see here, napakaganda ng ginawa nila because it's technically a sophisticated modern Filipino home design designed by Tayo Architecture. So they partnered with Tayo Architectural firm. So let's explore the interior of the house kasi ito yung mismo magiging layout ng house and lot nyo. So even without house models, makikita natin through this, no, kung ano yung magiging itsura. So punta muna tayo dito sa labas. So as you can see, open lang po siya, pero you can have your own fencing in the future. And at the same time, I think magkakasya dito yung 2 to 3 cars for the garage. And lapit tayo dito, yung outside muna, it's a single detached home. So may easement siya from the front rear and side. So, pwede rin tayong mag-upgrade ng trees kung ano yung gusto nating i-plant na trees. May mga option tayo. Or if you want a bigger lot area, kasi naka-fix lang naman yung pinakabahay. Same lang sila ng laki, no? At minimum is 250 square meter lot area. But if ang gusto nyo is bigger than 250 square meter, definitely you will have a lot of open space for your garden. Kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin, magtayo kayo ng gazebo or dipping pool. Pwede po tayo mag-upgrade para mas ma-utilize natin yung lot area natin. So tara, tignan natin yung house. So as you can see here, sa front, nandito yung door. And then pagpasok nyo sa door, nandito yung pinaka area ng powder room natin, no? Or toilet and bath in this one, no? Accessible na pinakamalapit sa door. Very smart yung ginawa niya kasi ang nangyari is kung meron naghatid sa inyo or kung may guest kayo na makikigamit lang ng CR, hanggang dito lang siya sa unahan. Hindi niya mai-invade yung privacy niyo dahil hindi naman siya dadaan sa living and kitchen area. So, merong access dito sa toilet and bath. And then at the same time, meron kang bedroom dito sa baba, no? Where you can use this as your granny room or your office. You can convert it as your own office na meron kang sliding door and access outside. So, ang ganda niya. And then, pagpasok naman natin dito is nandito yung living room, yung dining area, and yung kitchen area. So, ang luwag pa rin niya tingnan, parehas na parehas talaga siya nung the guest house, yung pinasok natin na gawang Rockwell din. So, wala akong masyadong nakikitang pagkakaiba. And then, peninsula din. And I think this shade is more on the darker shade, no? So, at least makakakita kayo kung ano ba talaga yung layouting niya. So, dito naman sa ating kitchen, nandito yung door going to our dirty kitchen, and then nandito yung access for our maid's room. So, ang ganda ng itsura niya kasi may maid's room dito, and nakalimutan ko ding i-discuss sa kanina is meron ding access yung drivers din. Kasi yung entrance kasi or door ng drivers din is nandito sa labas from the garage. So meron ding sariling toilet and bath yung drivers din, na which is accessible from the garage. Tapos akyat naman tayo sa second floor. So you enter the second floor, meron ka pang family hall or entertainment area. And for this one, you have a total of 1, 2, 3 no, na bedroom sa taas. Plus 1, so a total of 4 bedroom if isasama natin yung bedroom sa baba. Pero dito sa taas, meron kang 3 bedrooms, and then nandito yung master's bedroom nyo. Ang laki ng master's bedroom, para siyang hotel, no? So you have your king size bed here, and then you have your own walk-in closet connecting to your ensuite toilet and bath. Ang laki ng walk-in closet mo, and at the same time, you have like your own mini living room in the master's bedroom na accessible yung balcony. Ang laki ng balcony niya, and then tignan natin yung mga another 2 bedrooms natin. May it be for your kids or for your guest. So, lahat ito may sariling toilet and bath per bedroom sa taas. So, malaki din naman yung area niya, and at the same time, hindi siya yung alam nyo na parang pinagkasya lang yung mga bedrooms, no? Para lang masabing, oh, ito 4 bedrooms to, pero ang sikip-sikip na. Pero as I can see on the layout, napaka-spacious niya pa rin tignan. And that's it. You can have a piece of Rockwell South just beside New Valley, Santa Rosa for as low as around 43 million pesos, sitting on a 250 square meter lot area. And I think the price is very competitive. Imagine, you can have a premium house and lot with a premium finishes. Meron ng mga kasamang mga built-in cabinets for your kitchen, sa bedroom. Aside from that, VRF na yung air conditioner na kasama sa deliverable, no? And 43 million pesos. Kasi naiisip ko, no, kaya ako napaposes right now, nasa 55 to 60,000 pesos per square meter na yung mga premium lots. And that's just a lot. And right now, dito mismo sa Rockwell, yung binuksan nila na Cluster 6B, na lot only, na 4 lots na lang available, it's about 65,000 to 80,000 pesos per square meter. And that is just a lot. So, it's really perfect for our Filipinos abroad who's looking for a retirement home pero ayaw nyo ng emotional stress sa dulo. Kasi nga, wala kayo dito. Kapag nagpagawa kayo ng bahay, hindi nyo mamamonitor. But meron kayong ganito kaganda na bahay na even if hindi ito yung sarili nyong style, hindi ito yung sarili nyong layout, I think Rockwell designed it to be so spacious na parang nagpapatayo ka rin ng dream home nyo. So if you want to inquire about the last 11 premium house and lot units left here in Rockwell South beside New Valley, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Please feel free to contact me through my local mobile number, iMessage, Viber, or WhatsApp account. That is +63927 185 1590. Again, +63927 185 1590. I am also available through my business email, thepropertygeekph@gmail.com, the Property Geek Facebook page, and you can directly message me through my personal Facebook account, that is Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. We are still contributing at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section, and congratulations to our new Rockwell South homeowner. They bought a lot here, and I'm very proud because they are a couple Filipinos abroad from California, United States of America. So congratulations! So sana marami pa tayong matulungan ng mga clients natin abroad, lalo na yung mga Filipinos abroad na gustong-gusto mag-retire here, whether you're in the USA, Canada, parts of Europe, Australia, saan man sa mundo. I am just here, your property geek, Jaire Mamaklay, always inviting you to come home to the beautiful islands of the Philippines.